Hi, welcome to Film Studies. I'm William Rice, Head of Film Studies.
Hi, my name is Darian Charles and I teach the more practical side of the Film Studies course.
Film Studies is for students who are passionate about film, want to know more about it, possibly want to go into the industry as an actor, as a writer or a director. The course goes very well alongside a BTEC program, either in musical theatre or acting or dance, or as part of an A-level syllabus. It goes very well with other courses like English and drama and art. The Film Studies course is made up of three components. The first is called Varieties of Filmmaking, when we look at classic Hollywood films like Alfred Hitchcock's Vertigo and Francis Coppola's Apocalypse Now. We also look at contemporary British cinema with Trainspotting and Fish Tank. For component 2, we do global filmmaking. With that, we look at the silent film Sunrise, directed by F.W. Murnau, the documentary film Amy, directed by Asif Kapadia, and postmodernism, Quentin Tarantino's Pulp Fiction.
So for the component 3 part of the course, we teach students how to use equipment from the cameras to the tripods, the lighting, the sound, and it is an area of the film course that all students really enjoy and they find extremely exciting because they get so much out of it. Although it is an independently led part of the course, we do help students along the way and teach them all of the skills that they need in order to go out onto the film set and create some really fantastic films.
As we said, Film Studies goes very well with either a BTEC qualification or an A-level. Students who do A-level Film Studies can either go off to a film school like the Met or Ravensbourne, or they can do film studies at universities like Cambridge or Bournemouth, Southampton and Warwick. Not only will you have the qualification of an A-level, you will also have the practical film you have made with us as part of your portfolio to show to a university or film school interviewer. We think you'll really enjoy the course. If you have any questions, do please ask Darian or me.